Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by preparing your page and dropping in the Translate container. Make sure your page uses UTF-8 so characters render correctly. Next, add a div with ID Google Translate element where the widget will appear. Then include the Google Translate script tag and point it to an init function. This calls the Translate library after loading. Once done, the library will attach to your container and show a language selector. This lets visitors switch languages without changing page structure. Now you'll write the init function that controls behavior. In init Google Translate, set page language, included languages, comma-separated codes, and layout style. This tells the widget which translations to offer and how to render. You should also add area labels and keyboard focus styles for accessibility and override default CSS so the widget fits your header and mobile breakpoints. Once configured, test different languages. Making these adjustments ensures translations integrate visually and functionally with your site rather than looking like an afterthought. Finish by testing thoroughly across pages, devices, and browsers. Use incognito to avoid cached results. Deploy changes to staging, then production once you confirm language switching works and no console errors appear. If translations don't appear, check that the script loaded, the init callback executed, and there are no cores or CSB blocks. One key troubleshooting tip: if the widget fails, open the browser console. Look for blocked script or CSB violations, then update your policy or host the script through an allowed domain.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.